If you've been seeing ads for the Murwon MBN Patch claiming you can burn fat, crush cravings, balance blood sugar, and boost energy in just 7 days without pills, dieting, or exercise, you're probably wondering whether this is a breakthrough or just another overhyped product. So I decided to take a deep look at how it's marketed and what's actually behind the claims. The patch is promoted as a 10-inch -1 nano-metabolic patch that uses dissolving microneedles to deliver ingredients through the skin with up to 98% absorption. And it's often labeled as FDA approved, clinically tested, and doctor recommended, which sounds impressive at first glance, but when you examine the details, there's no publicly available clinical trial data specifically for this patch, no verifiable FDA approval listing for fat loss treatment, and no credible medical endorsements tied to real, traceable professionals. The before and after transformations shown in promotions look dramatic, yet they aren't backed by controlled studies, and many testimonials appear staged or recycled across multiple product pages. Another key issue is formulation logic. Several of the listed ingredients are commonly used in oral supplements but are not known to work effectively through transdermal delivery, which raises questions about whether the delivery method can realistically produce the promised metabolic effects. That said, adhesive patches can help some users with habit reinforcement and appetite awareness simply because they create a daily routine trigger. So minor indirect benefits are possible, but that's very different from rapid fat loss or metabolic reset. Overall, based on claim verification, ingredient delivery science, and evidence standards, the Murwon MBN patch sits in a gray zone where the marketing is much stronger than the proof. So anyone considering it should treat it as experimental at best and avoid expecting guaranteed or fast body fat results.